This is a 2011 Ford Flex. This crossover has an automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, leather and alloy steering wheel trim, a 4-wheel independent suspension, cargo tie-downs, dusk-sensing headlights, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. This Ford has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Falcone Volkswagen Subaru Saab is located at 1930 West 16th Street in Indianapolis. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure you'll return for future visits.